Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to walk you through the process of withdrawing money from your Trade Republic account, whether you are cashing out profits or moving funds. This step-by-step guide will make it easy. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Trade Republic app or go to their website and log into your account. Uh, After logging with your credentials, then uh, search for wealth or cash tab depending on where your funds are located. In the selected tab, choose transfer, then tap on send. To initiate the withdrawal process, input the amount you wish to withdraw to your linked bank account. Once entered, tap next. A summary of your withdrawal will be displayed. Carefully review the details to ensure accuracy. Then tap send to proceed. For security purposes, you will receive an SMS then on your registered mobile number. Enter this code to confirm and complete the withdrawal. Withdrawal can take up to 3 banking days to reflect in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing times. And that's it. You have successfully initiated a withdrawal from your Trade Republic account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials.